Welcome to our channel. Today, we are talking about puff puffs. Puff puffs' place of origin is sub-Saharan Africa, is, geographically, the area of the continent of Africa that lies south of the Sahara. Puff puff, as it is called in Nigeria, is a traditional African snack made of fried dough. They are made of dough containing flour, yeast, sugar, butter, salt, water and eggs, and deep fried in vegetable oil to a golden brown color. After frying, puff puffs can be rolled in sugar, like the French beignet and the Italian zeppole. Puff puffs can be rolled in any spice or flavor such as cinnamon, vanilla and nutmeg. For instance, Cameroonians enjoy puff puffs with beans, coffee, and other beverages for breakfast. Go try them, you will love them. Make sure to subscribe before you do to get more content on Afro foods.